Hi guys, welcome to Yale's Cooking that makes healthy and yummy foods without processed foods, gluten, sugar, dairy products, caffeine, and alcohol. Today I'm going to make my dog Teri's treats, tofu chips. You don't need an oven or a frying pan. It's simple to make. If you are ready, let's go and cook. To make tofu chips, all you need is tofu and Carob powder. The digestibility of tofu made by clothing soy protein is 95% higher than the digestibility of soybean 65%. This is Carob powder. Carob powder has no caffeine, so puppies, cats, and even children can eat it. Carob is a natural sweetener with a flavor and appearance similar to chocolate. Carob is often used as a chocolate or cacao substitute. The Carob powder is sold in health food stores as a substitute or extender for cocoa. First, put the tofu in boiling water and boil for 2 or 3 minutes. Tofu is stored in salt water for storage, so I will remove the salt by boil in water. If you boil the tofu for 2 or 3 minutes, remove the water. If you are not making for your dogs, it doesn't matter if you don't boil the tofu and make it right away. I'm going to cut tofu in square shape now. I used the half block of tofu for this video, but you can make more. The thickness is roughly 0.5 centimeter. The thinner you cut, the sooner you could finish the tofu chips. I cut tofu about 0.5 centimeter to maintain the square shape. Put the Carob powder in a bowl. You need 1 tablespoon of Carob powder. I used 2 tablespoons of Carob powder for 1 block of tofu. Now, put the tofu in a dish that can use in a microwave. I made 5 plain flavors and put them in the middle. And I made Carob flavored tofu chips with the rest of the tofu. Roll the 6 sides of the tofu in Carob powder. Put the dish into the microwave for 10 minutes. You can adjust the time until it gets crunchy. I use 700-watt microwave for home use and a half tofu, so I turned the microwave for 10 minutes. If you are using 10,000-watt microwave oven or making fewer tofu chips, you can turn the microwave oven shorter. You can't see if crunchy tofu chips are well made or not by looking at the screen, right? Let's see how crispy the tofu chips are and how much Teri likes it. Let's try the plain flavor first. Dogs enjoy shapes and the texture of the food rather than the taste. I think Teri likes crunchy tofu chips. I guess it's hard for Teri to wait for his treats. This time, let's try Carob tofu chips. Enjoy yourself and enjoy with your loving dogs, cats, kids, friends, and family. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my tofu chips. If you liked my video, please click like. And for yummy gut healing recipes, there will be more videos coming up. So please click subscribe for more upcoming videos. Please leave comments below if you like the recipe or if you have any questions. See ya!